Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stabilize Shaky videos using InShot. This method is completely free and great alternative to CapCut if you are looking for a quick and easy way to fix unstable footage on your phone for free. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your InShot app on your phone and then next just import the clips that you want to stabilize. And then next, if your video is shaky because you were walking or moving too fast or recording handheld, don't worry, InShot has a built-in stabilizer that works surprisingly well. And then next, just tap on your videos like this, and then just scroll to the tools and search for stabilizer. This one, just tap on it. And then InShot will give you three options. It has a 3-level stabilizer that you can choose, from low, that will make small corrections to your footage. Just use this when your video is only slightly shaky or if you want to keep the original movement and avoid too much cropping, like this. And then it has standard. Standard is the middle options and usually works for most situations. It will balance stabilizations and then image quality without making the video look too cropped or distorted. It will look like this. And then next, for the strongest mode, it has most stable. Just use these options when your footage is really shaky, like when recording while walking or running. But keep in mind, the stronger stabilizations, the more the video gets cropped in. But if you want the smoothest possible result, this is the best choice. So your video will look like this. As you can see, the video is more stable than before. So just choose the level that you prefer on your video. You can preview this effect live, so feel free to switch between the 3 levels to see which one looks the best for your video. And then next, after you're done selecting the level, just tap on check mark and you're done. And okay, that's it. Your clip is now much smoother and more professional looking. It's more stable. Okay, maybe that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.